Hey friends, in this tutorial video I'll show you how to boost download speed in Opera GX. If you're ready, let's begin. First, open Opera GX. Then click the GX control in the menu on the left. And make sure that RAM, network, and GPU limiters are disabled. You may have accidentally enabled them. After ensuring that the limiters are not active, type opera, // flags into the search bar and press enter. Then type parallel downloading into the search bar. And enable the parallel downloading feature. Meanwhile, as you can see, the description of the parallel download feature also states that it will increase download speed. Finally, you need to restart Opera GX for the changes you made to take effect correctly. You can restart it by clicking the relaunch in the bottom right corner. Your download speed will now be faster than before. I hope this how to boost download speed in Opera GX guide video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.